Hey, it's Vivette from VivetteHarrisOnline.com and coming to you from my home office in Toronto, Canada, and so excited that you are watching this video today. Now, I'm super excited because I want to welcome you to day number two of, of my daily dose of inspiration. Yesterday, which was day number one, right? We spoke about how to think and dream big, right? We talk about, a quote from Les Brown where he says, "Be willing to do the things today be willing to do the things today that others won't do so that you can have the things tomorrow that others won't have," right? So we talk about that. And so today, which is day two, we're going to be talking about is the power of commitment, okay? So it's a daily dose of inspiration, the power of commitment, okay? So I want to talk about commitment to your dreams, commitment to your success, commitment to achieving your goals in 2015, commitment to achieve whatever it is that you want out of life, okay? Commitment to getting out of your comfort zone. I told you yesterday how I'm so committed, just to getting out of my comfort zone to where I am now in life, to our, to my commitment, and even just talking about getting out of my comfort zone, things that I wouldn't do even a year ago. 2015 is like a whole, starting the latter part of 2014, everything started to change. Things that I wouldn't do, I started embracing the challenge and I started to do more and more stuff. Okay. One of my biggest challenge was embracing getting my blog going at the, November of 2014. And now my blog is really, it's really improving and ranking and, really generating me leads and sales for my business, right? Because I made a commitment to get out of my comfort zone. Okay. So where I am right now, out of my comfort zone, really and truly, I probably could just embrace bungee jumping. Yeah, I just said that. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I said that. I will always say people are just crazy and stupid for getting in bungee jumping, right? But to where I am right now in life, my confidence, just being, so committed to getting out of my comfort zone, I could probably just go, yeah, bungee jumping. I can't believe I'm saying that, but yeah, that's where I am in life right now, okay? So here's a quote I'm going to share with you from Mario Andretti, okay? I'm going to read this for you because it's a little bit of a long one. I have to make sure that I say all the words, okay? So here's what Mario said, okay? Desire is the key to motivation, but it's determination and commitment to an unrelenting pursuit of your goals, a commitment to excellence that will enable you to attain the success you seek. Okay, so I'm going to say that again. Okay, desire is the key to motivation, but it's determination and commitment to an unrelenting pursuit of your goal, a commitment to excellence that will enable you to attain the success you seek. Okay, so wanting success is not enough. We must, have that, stick to that commitment even when it gets ugly, even when it gets tough, even when it gets difficult. We got to stick to it. Okay, no excuses. No excuses. You just have to work for what you want. You got to get up and says, you know what, I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to get up. I'm going to just make sure that I'm producing, I'm contributing, and I'm going to have the success that I want. Okay? So, I want to say to you today, make the commitment to your dreams, okay? Make the commitment to your success, okay? Whatever it takes, make sure that you do it, okay? It's within you to be successful, okay? See you on the next video tomorrow as I'm going to be talking about taking charge, okay? Taking charge of your dreams and taking charge of your goals. I'm going to be sharing some excerpts from Brian Tracy, another successful motivational speaker in our industry. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video tomorrow.